If you've ever wanted to stay at the Hyatt Regency at the Orlando International Airport,
we will show you what it's all about. So nice here. So we're on the 9th floor and room 9060, and this is going to be a queen,
2-bedroom.
yes. Sorry, 2 queen bedroom.
And I believe this is the highest floor, isn't it? The 9th floor is the highest floor?
I think so, yeah.
So I don't know if these are refurbished rooms or what. We stayed here a few years back. It's probably been 4 or 5 years. But this room,
extremely nice.
So nice.
Very nice. We'll show you a little bit what we see.
So you walk in the front door here, and as soon as you come in, you go to the left is a really clean looking bathroom.
So this is our bathroom. So very nice with lots of lighting for women. So cool. And we have a beautiful shower.
Look at the tile work on that.
Nice.
And what is that, like a rainforest type head?
Yes.
Okay.
Very nice.
And look at all this light they have in this room. That is just amazing. And you got your clock in the mirror in case you're running late and you need to catch your flight. Because this hotel is in the lobby of the airport. When we look out our window, you see TSA check right there.
Bam.
So you don't know how. I bet this is extremely handy for people that lose track of times.
I'm sure.
And trying to catch their flight. So. Then over here,
of course, the toilet. Everyone needs a toilet. And then we come out, and right here is like a little closet area type thing.
Yeah, it's a nice little piece of furniture.
Yeah, with some little drawers and stuff in case you're staying a few nights.
See if we got a little light on it.
So super cute.
Don't know how to turn it
Ironing
on.
board, iron, all the necessities. And then of course the 2 queen size beds. Very nice. I love the lighting in here. Very modern, very chic.
This is extremely lit, like Ashley was saying, but not only the lighting, and look at this TV.
It's massive.
I mean, it's like 5 feet long.
I can't see the TV. It's lit.
It's a huge television
It's
that they
very
have.
big.
And then you have this over here, if you come in the corner here, you have a very unique place to put the safe here. And then it comes with all the, you know, what is that? Coffee pot, water,
ice, and
little refrigerator down there on the bottom.
Little, so cute.
And then you have a little work area desk in the corner here. And then, which used to be really nice, they have the little balcony which you could walk out of. But they have the door locked now. I guess somebody vandalized it or did something.
Yeah, but it's really pretty out there. You can watch the little waterfall and
people running to their flights.
Yes. Very nice.
Now this hotel also has a pool, it has a gymnasium, it has restaurants, and it's really nice. If it was just a resort that was close to Walt Disney World or Universal Studios,
Oh yeah.
I mean this would be a nice place to stay, but for what we're doing, we're going to stay here tonight, then we're going to catch a lift or something to the parks.
In the morning, right.
This is perfect.
Very convenient, yes.
Perfect.
Especially if you have a late flight. Yes.
And something to consider that we did, we're staying here because we arrived so late with our flights that it's saving us money.
Yes.
Because if we would have booked and stayed at Walt Disney World, we would have paid the extra for the resort room.
And it wasn't worth it.
We wouldn't get the use of the room.
Correct.
So we're staying here, saving about $200. Then tomorrow we're going to check into the resort.
Sounds like a plan.